This is Catal Huyuk. It is an ancient civilization located in modern-day Turkey as shown in these maps. It was built in about 6500 BC. Archaeologists have explored its location and have discovered pottery, murals, human and animal remains, and tools. By using the walls, archaeologists are able to trace out rooms and then search the rooms for artifacts. They gently excavated the objects and painstakingly cleaned them without damaging them. These are two of the processes that archaeologists are using to excavate artifacts from Catal Huyuk. There are many questions that we still have that we haven't answered yet, such as what the paintings meant and why their dead were buried in the floor. The artifacts give small clues by hinting at religion as well as daily life back then.